Alright, I'm back, and the first part of the test has succeeded, as you can see here, the bottom was able to form and most of the shape is still okay, but now the real challenge will be, is this strong enough so that if I try flipping the whole thing, it won't become a huge disaster. And I think we're still not quite there yet. So the moment of truth will be coming soon. I'm just not sure how to do it. Let's see if we can flip this thing. Nope, that was close, but no cigar. Yay! I was able to do it, just barely. Just barely. So we're halfway there. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.